Hello Genies! In this video, we are going to learn about the new improved features on medical diagnosis with ICD-10 on RenalGenie. To update patient medical diagnosis, jump straight to the patient profile. Click on patient name to access patient profile accordingly. At the clinical information section, user will notice that we have replaced previous columns for diagnosis and medical history with new columns of primary disease and secondary disease. To enter or edit the primary and secondary disease information, click on this pencil icon. On the clinical information page, proceed to type at the primary disease column and the system will list related diseases according to the ICD-10 codes. User may proceed to select from the drop-down list. Repeat the same steps for secondary diseases. If the patient has more than one secondary diseases, user may click on the Add Disease button. Repeat the same steps as the previous four. And other diseases if the patient has more than one secondary diseases. To delete, simply click on the delete icon here. Once done, proceed to click on the Save button to save the changes. Well done! We have successfully updated this patient's primary and secondary diseases on RenalGenie. Thank you for watching.